Today we're drawing Luigi from the new Super Mario Galaxy's movie in 4 different styles. And up first we have the cartoon effect. And for this we're going to keep the color simple, smooth, and even all throughout. I'm not really looking to try and get this to be like the movie, but rather closer to the video game. Now, before we get too far into this video, if you could please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, helps me out a lot, and lets YouTube know that you love the content. Luigi has always been one of my favorite characters, and I really wanted to design him with the poltergust, because I just think it's more or less now become his persona, for lack of a better word. Like, it's just iconic now to him. And it's good to see that he actually has his own video game series separate from Mario. With any cartoon effect, you really gotta pay attention to the line art. If you're gonna make the lines thin, keep them thin throughout. If you're gonna keep them thick, make them nice and bold all throughout. Or you can always do a nice thick bold outline around the whole thing, but consistency is key. Up next we have Luigi. Now for me, Luigi is just a natural fit for whenever we're trying to draw Luigi, because he basically is a goo-like clone that Professor Egad made in Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon. And shout out to my subscribers during my premiere, because it was one of you, and honestly I'm sorry that I can't remember it, but if you remember, drop in the comments who it was that asked me to do a gummy bear style. And that got me kind of like thinking, well, Luigi is gooey, and gummy kind of looks the same, so in a future video, if you want to see me do a gummy bear style, which would look very similar to this, what do you think? Would you like to see a gummy bear style? Because I think that could be pretty cool. I want to make sure that this thing looks slick and shiny and also translucent, so you might see some lines, but that is by designed effect. We want to have that watery, drippy gooiness. But that does not mean it doesn't have darks. We're just not going to have an outline. We're going to punch in the darkest darks where we need, and also the whitest whites where we need it. And that's what's going to give it that nice, drippy, gooey effect. Very similar to the gummy bear. So once again, if you want to see me do the gummy bear, let me know in the comments. Just popping in these last little bit of highlights, and they are important, but we want to make sure that we blend them out softly. They are not strong highlights. We don't really just pop them in. From gooey, we're going to make them ghostly. And once again, this is a perfect fit for Luigi's Mansion, because his main antagonist has always been King Boo, who is king of the boos. And what happens if Luigi does become a ghost? It's kind of what I want it to feel like. But how are we going to achieve that? By giving him really cool translucence. Once again, similar to Luigi, but we're going to make it a little bit more ghastly, a little bit more blue. We're going to pale the colors down dramatically. With the success of the first Mario movie and now Super Mario Galaxy, do you want to see your own Luigi's Mansion video? As I said, I'm a huge Luigi fan, so I would really think that they're going to follow up with that. Similar to the Luigi style, we are not going to add too many darks. We're really going to allow the translucence to sit through, but we're going to add a heck of a lot more white because we really want to make this thing look ghastly. Once again, finishing up with the whitest white highlights just to make them look even more ghostly, and we're going to call this one complete as we now make them realistic. But we're going to have a bunch of tips for you. You see, the light is actually on the left over here, and the dark side is on the right. So we're going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on reverse highlights. So as you can see here with this Yoshi drawing, light is coming in from the left. That means the brightest spot's going to be right here, right about in the middle of the nose, upper left part. That's going to be your brightest. But underneath, right here, that's going to be what's called your darkest spot. And just below it is what's called a reflective highlight. Because when light comes from basically all around, when light kind of just shines through an object, as you'll see here in this little tutorial, when light comes down on a three-dimensional object, it has a bright spot right in the middle, usually right above. Then on the bottom, it'll have, once again, the darkest. But below it is where all the light bounces off from the ground back onto the object. So it's not, the darkest isn't at the edge. That's called the reflective highlight. So light will bounce around the object and then hit it on the back end and make it just a little bit highlight, not as bright, but not as dark as what the darkest dark should be. So now let's apply what you've just learned with his little nose here. We're gonna have the darkest dark, but we're gonna leave just a little bit of space for a natural skin tone to act as the reflective highlight. And then as we work around with our coloring here, it's going to get that nice little bright spot on his nose because the light's coming from the left, and now we have the darkest spot here. And I mean, just look at it, you could pinch his nose. Now, for all of my Luigi fans, and I know that there were a ton of you in the comments, I have to ask you, what is your favorite Luigi game? Is it 1 or 3? I usually find that people are stuck between those. A lot of people don't seem to like the second game, they're usually just torn between the first and the third. So let me know, what was your favorite game, and what was your favorite boss battle in the game specifically? Now this might seem like a really big ask, but if this gets 1,000 likes, I will add Polterpup to this drawing. I think it would just be really cool to see it in the drawing, but that is up to you. If you guys put down the likes, I'll add them in. Now for the coloring of the eye and the rest of this, I went with a very soft gradations. I did not make it very stark, I did not make it very dark, I did not make it actually too light, because I wanted to kind of follow the entire theme of the drawing around. This fabric is very light colored, and because of all the highlights, I really wanted it to make it look like one cohesive thing. And to do that, we can't really add a lot of color pencil work because it's going to pick up all of the texture from the paper, and I don't want to have to smooth that out, and then you'll see this massive color pencil work next to this beautiful smooth alcohol marker. So to do that, I primarily stuck with alcohol markers. This piece was an absolute blast to do, not just because Luigi is one of my favorite characters, but because of the way it came out and all the elements that just make the drawing the drawing. So if you like this, then please do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on another one of my drawings, because this one is complete. Let me know what you think. What style did you like the best? And as always, I shall see you all in the next video.